Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in a new assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead.
Step 1. IDE versus Command Prompt. IDEs offer tools for writing and testing code, while Command Prompt runs scripts directly. Step 2. Coding ethics. Use clear variable names, add comments, test your code. Step 3. Correct variable assignment, sun, = 9. Step 4. Importance of coding. Help solve problems and create useful tools. Step 5. Arithmetic operators. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. Step 6. Data hierarchy, from bits to databases, like a student's record in a school system. Step 7. Compiler converts code to machine language so it can run. Step 8. Boolean operators and or not. Step 9. Algorithms, basic steps for division, floor division, and modulus, plus visual flowcharts. Step 10. Coding tasks, simple programs for math operations, conditional checks, and more.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.